all know that. What's his name?
Fuel on, mag on, pressure switch. I am ready, you're ready. Fire in the hole. Happy Wednesday. It's a gorgeous day outside. It's raining, but at least it's 60 some odd degrees. We've got several projects we're working on today. Doug's going to start off by making some guardrails. The guys at the park need some big guardrails. I think they're 3.5 inches or something like that by 11 inches by 8 foot long. So he's going to saw up some of them. And then we're going to make some more pickets for the fences that we need, and we'll take it from there. The good news is, since we installed the new saw bits last week, this saw is cutting remarkably well. Should have done that a very long time ago. Also, I spent 45 minutes on the phone with Bobby from PH Payne down in, I think they're in Georgia. They sell a lot of sawmill stuff. I got great lessons on sawmills, got great lessons on bits, shanks, and things like that. We learned a lot. And the big lesson was the old worn out ones need to go in a trash can. So that's where they're going today. They were worn out. We tried to sharpen them. I did. Didn't exactly know what we're doing. It caused a catastrophe a couple weeks ago. The saw got really hot. We ran the saw today several times. It was not hot at all. It was ambient, which, when a saw is sawing properly, that's what it's supposed to do. So happy days are here again. And you can see during this sawing session and when I saw a couple of poplars later, the saw is working remarkably well when it's sharp. Only because we haven't sawn a whole lot of mud yet. We need 3 8-foot guardrails here for the guys at the park. These cant here is 17 foot long. So 2 little boards will give us 4 of them. And we'll have 1 extra in case a car hits another one. So that's how to make guardrails out of poplar. And remember, poplar wood gets hard once it dries. It's what's on a lot of the tobacco barns around here. It gets so hard you can't put a nail in it. And it gets so hard you don't want to smash your car into it because it's going to cost you a lot of money. So be careful what guardrails you run into. And these are going to be big, heavy poplar guardrails. So if you whack them, you're going to be sorry. Take care and thanks for watching.